Hello everybody, happy belated Christmas and happy New Year's to everyone. I'm going to show y'all some of my gifts and cards that I received. Okay, I got some out of the mail. I'm going to start out by sharing with y'all my greeting cards, okay? This card is from Miss Robin Barnes. It says, "Greetings of the season." It says, "Wishing you all the wonders and magic of Christmas. Your YouTube family, love from Robin and Lewis." Thank you so much, Miss Robin. Y'all, I was late going to my P.O. box, and I did receive them before Christmas, but it took me a while to know to upload this video to show y'all everything that the cards that I did receive. And I just want to thank y'all for supporting me, Miss Robin and Lewis, because I sometimes we need that support, you know, sometimes. And I am so grateful and thankful for you all just thinking about me. You didn't have to think about me. You could have sent this card to anybody else but me. But I am so appreciative. Thank you, thank you, thank you for thinking about Miss Brenda Dee. I also received a letter from Miss Bailey Tidmore. This letter really touched my heart. Sometimes you don't know the reason why you are doing things, and like me making these videos, I was just doing it just to, you know, just to share. But now I see that it's more than that. And y'all, this letter really touched my heart, and I am so appreciative to you, Miss Bailey. Thank you so much. I needed that, you know. I needed to know the reason why I am cooking. I got a lot of people that, I am so grateful for each and every one of you that supports me and gives me that little push that I need to continue making these videos. Thank you so much, Miss Bailey. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, and I also got another one from my dear friend, Miss Evelyn. Miss Evelyn been with me for a long time. I think right the first year when I got started doing these YouTube videos. But I am so appreciative of Miss Evelyn. She emails me, she texts me, and encourages me all the time. And I am so grateful just to have her in our lives. You know, she loves me and my family, and I am so appreciative to her. She sent me this card. She said, "The best gifts are the beautiful people who touch our lives." And she say stuff, and it be stuff that you really need to hear. Okay. She said, "Dear Brenda and family, at Christmas, I'm feeling especially thankful for the gift of you." Isn't that so beautiful? "Wishing you a holiday filled with everything merry and bright. Jesus is the reason for the season. Amen. God bless you. I love you." Love, Evelyn. Y'all, she is such a sweetheart. Miss Evelyn also blessed me with a gift card. Miss Evelyn, I know exactly what I'm going to purchase with this gift card. I need a large skillet, a large non-stick skillet that I've been looking for, and I'm going to definitely go and check one out. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. You don't have to do what you do. Just letting you know that Miss Evelyn has a YouTube channel called Storytime with Miss Evelyn. Go over and show Miss Evelyn some love, and subscribe to her channel, and let your kids watch her, because she is so good at what she does. Again, Miss Evelyn, thank you for all your love and support. God bless you. This is a gift from my sister Betty. She made this beautiful basket, y'all. She has a channel called No Place Like Home with MsBetty. Could y'all go over and check her out? Show her some love and subscribe to her because she shows y'all so many beautiful things. She does DIYs and she invites you into her beautiful home and she shows you what you can do with your decor. And she also just uploaded a couple of videos, one with a winter tablescape, and she also is sharing with you how to make your own Valentine gift basket. So y'all go over there and check her out. Thanks for the beautiful gift basket, sister. God bless you. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna close this video out. Thank y'all for joining us. Y'all could have been on any of these channels on YouTube, but y'all chose to be on here with me, and I am so grateful. Okay, y'all, just remember, you're always welcome to Miss Brenda Dee Place. Love y'all.